natural, silence, durable. King Fortune Electrical Company Limited focuses on manufacturing the best electric fan products in the world. Let people enjoy a natural breeze anywhere. Founded in 1987, King Fortune Electrical Company Limited has been manufacturing home appliances for more than 30 years and has rich experience. It is a highly recommended brand in the industry. Industrial fans, desk fans, stand fans, wall fans, and all-in-one fans are all our products. In order to keep exporting good quality products, King Fortune Electrical has invested a huge sum in research and development to improve step-by-step in 4 aspects: material strength, exterior design, product structure, and safety function. Over the years, we have been working diligently and striving for improvement. We have made breakthrough progress and have become a competitive brand in the international market. Even with a good design concept, a complete manufacturing process and quality control testing are necessary. King Fortune Electrical develops independently components and spare parts of all products. We safeguard the quality for our customers with the most stringent standard in every stage of the manufacturing process. In order to meet the highest quality requirements, our products are tested under our quality control system before leaving the factory. This is to ensure our products pass multiple safety certifications and meet international standards, and let our customers to use the product with peace of mind. Not only do we pursue perfection in quality, production in huge quantities and on-time delivery are also our leading advantages. With good reviews worldwide, King Fortune Electrical keeps improving to provide customers with more satisfaction and reliable services. With years of valuable experience, we constantly improve our production technology, enhance our quality, and continue to research and develop diversified products to meet the needs of every customer. Let natural breeze spreads everywhere.